Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Cash App. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Cash App application and then use your PIN or biometric to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into this home page where you can type in your desired amount to pay or request from someone. Now from this home page, just go ahead and tap on the search button at the bottom section. From the search button, you can simply tap on the search box and search for any of your desired contact that you want to block. Now simply tap on the contact once you find them and just scroll all the way down and you will find the block option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this person. Just tap on the confirm button and then the contact will be blocked. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block someone on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.